We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT to make money. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official ChatGPT website. You need to sign up or log in if you already have an account. Once you're in, make sure to explore the platform's API and integration options, as using these can be key to monetizing your efforts. One effective way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating a chatbot or virtual assistant for businesses. Many companies are looking for ways to automate customer service or streamline their operations, and a custom chatbot can do just that. You can offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, promoting your ability to create and deploy a ChatGPT-powered solution tailored to their needs. Another way is to write content using ChatGPT. Many websites and blogs are in constant need of fresh content, and you can use ChatGPT to generate articles, social media posts, or even scripts. Make sure to refine the generated content to ensure it meets the client's quality standards. Additionally, you can explore creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, using ChatGPT to help generate the initial drafts or ideas. ChatGPT can also assist in brainstorming and developing content strategies for these products, making the process more efficient. Don't forget to utilize ChatGPT's ability to translate or summarize text, which can be offered as a service to businesses or individuals who need quick and accurate translations or condensed information. By leveraging these methods, you can tap into multiple streams of income. Remember, the key to success is in how you market and refine the outputs from ChatGPT to align with client expectations. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.